Welcome back to the UltFone channel. If you're an iPad user, today's video is going to be especially helpful. I'm going to show you how to place your iPad into recovery mode, whether it has a home button or not. Before we get started, let's briefly talk about what recovery mode is and why it matters. Recovery mode is a built-in safety mechanism designed to help you handle software issues such as failed updates, frozen screens, charging problems, or system errors. It's also necessary when you want to reinstall iPadOS or even downgrade to an earlier version. With that in mind, let's go over the different ways you can enter recovery mode. Method 1. Enter recovery mode manually. The manual method is simple. Start by connecting your iPad to your computer using a USB cable. Press and hold the home button and the power button at the same time and keep holding them as the screen turns black and the Apple logo appears. Do not release the buttons until the restore screen shows up. Once you see that screen, your iPad has successfully entered recovery mode. For iPads without a home button, the steps are just as straightforward. Begin by connecting the device to your computer. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button, and finally press and hold the side button. Keep holding it until the restore screen appears on your device. When that screen shows up, you've officially entered recovery mode. Method 2. Enter or exit recovery mode using UltFone iOS system repair. If the manual button sequences don't work, or you simply prefer a faster method, you can use UltFone iOS system repair on either Windows or Mac. After launching the program and connecting your iPad, you can enter recovery mode with a single click by choosing the Enter Recovery Mode option. The software will automatically place your device into recovery mode without requiring any manual button combinations. Exiting recovery mode is just as easy. By selecting the Exit Recovery Mode option, UltFone iOS System Repair will reboot your iPad back to normal instantly, eliminating the need to troubleshoot the process yourself. Once your device is in recovery mode, UltFone iOS System Repair gives you two ways to move forward. Standard Repair is designed to resolve most system problems without wiping your data, making it the best option to try first. If your iPad is experiencing more serious issues, Deep Repair can restore the device to factory settings and fix deeper system errors. After downloading the necessary firmware, the software will complete the repair process and bring your iPad back to normal. And that's everything you need to know about putting your iPad into recovery mode, whether manually or with the help of UltFone iOS System Repair. If you found this guide useful, make sure to give it a like and follow us for more helpful iPhone and iPad tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.